Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel GMAT Point. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the GMAT Focus Edition, breaking down new scoring system and percentiles. This video will provide you the information about revised score and percentiles which will help you to navigate through GMAT prep. But firstly, let's discuss about the Focus Edition and Adaptivity. GMAT has introduced a new format called Focus Edition in November 2023, scrapping their old version in January 31st, 2024. This test includes 3 sections called Verbal Reasoning, Quantitative Reasoning, and a new section called Data Insights, which is a combination of integrated reasoning and data sufficiency. The test has 64 questions in total, with 23 in verbal ability, 20 in data insights, and 21 in quantitative ability. The test time is also reduced to 2 hours and 15 minutes. The GMAT exam is an adaptive test. This means the questions get harder or easier upon how you answer them. If you answer a question correctly, the next question will be difficult. If you answer the question incorrectly, the next question will be easier. A person who can tackle up difficult problems is known to have a better abilities compared to the person who haven't solved the problem in the same test. So in result, your GMAT score is based on 3 factors: how many questions you have attempted, and how many questions you have answered correctly, and the difficulty level of questions that you have answered correctly. Now let's dive into the revised scores and percentiles. The new scoring system for GMAT has changed from 200 to 800 to 205 to 805 with 10 points increment. Now each section has an individual scores ranging from 60 to 90. Now the total score is based upon 3 sections, unlike the 10th edition which was based upon 2 sections which were quantitative ability and verbal reasoning. Now the test takers can review and edit their answers before submitting. This new system will help the schools to better understand your performance in the exam. Percentile rankings indicate what percentage of test takers you have performed better than. For example, a percentile of 75 means you have performed better than 75% of the other test takers. Even though the scores might look lower under the Focus Edition, but they are actually equivalent. A score of 645 in the Focus Edition is similar to a score of 700 in the older edition. Similarly, if you targeted for 730, but now you can target it for 685. These schools are aware of this change and will consider both your scores and percentiles while reviewing your application. Next up, we have Improv Score Report. You will get a detailed information about your performance along with your official GMAT score report at no additional cost. Performance summary charts provide a view of the performance across the entire exam. Starting up, we have performance by section. Here it provides the overview of the total score and sectional score along with your percentiles. Performance by program in school. This section compares your scores with the other people who have applied for the same college and program within the past 5 years. Subsection diagrams give you a more detailed description about a particular section. For example, if you take quantitative ability, you have content domain, question types, fundamental skills, time management and performance, and question reviews and changes. These diagrams show your overall performance in the sections to find your strengths and weakness. This wraps up the discussion on GMAT Focus Edition, scores and percentiles. And if you're looking for more resources and tips, please do follow our channel GMAT Point for more insights.